Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a tomahawk steak in the oven. First, pat your beautiful tomahawk steak completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step helps achieve that perfect crust. Next, season it generously on all sides with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Finally, let your steak rest at room temperature for about 1 hour before cooking. This ensures even cooking throughout. Now let's get that incredible crust. Place a heavy cast iron skillet over high heat and let it get screaming hot, almost smoking. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil. Carefully place your tomahawk steak in the hot pan and sear it for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You're looking for a rich, deep brown color all over. After searing, transfer your steak to a wire rack set on a baking sheet. This allows for even air circulation. Place it into a preheated oven at 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Roast until a meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part reads your desired internal temperature. For a perfect medium rare, aim for 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. The final and arguably most important step is resting. Once your steak reaches its target temperature, remove it from the oven and let it rest on a cutting board for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a wonderfully tender and flavorful steak. Finally, slice the meat against the grain, separating it from the bone, and serve immediately. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.